Hello viewers, you are welcome to Saliwal Production. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, especially my new subscribers, for choosing Saliwal Production. On Saliwal Production, we provide you with the best of tutorials on Microsoft Office softwares and many other tutorials on web development. In this video, I am going to introduce you to how to create a data entry form using Microsoft Excel for your data entry. Data entry has been made very easy with Microsoft Excel. A lot of people are not familiar with SPSS software, and for that matter, they face problems doing data entry on SPSS software. In this video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step solution to data entry by teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel to create a data entry form. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a data entry form with Microsoft Excel. You will also be able to import the data entered onto the SPSS software. If you like the video and you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. You can also click on the bell to get notification of my new videos whenever they are online. You can as well refer your friends to subscribe to the channel for more educative videos from Saliwal Production. Now let's dive into the classroom. Now we are going to launch the Microsoft Excel. So we go for Microsoft Excel. In this video, I am going to use Microsoft Excel 2010. Now the Excel book is open. We are going to use the first sheet, that is sheet 1, for our tutorial for this video. What we are going to do now is that we are going to create headings for each of the items on the questionnaire we use for the data collection. For this questionnaire, we have gender, age, religion, educational background, occupation, ethnicity, then instead of typing the whole question, we are just going to indicate question 1, question 2, question 3 as such. So we have question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6, question 7, question 8, question 9, then question 10. Okay, so after doing this, we now have to resize the columns so that you know the columns you are working with. So this is the first step. Now the second step is that we have to make all these as table headings. You highlight all the headings that you have provided and turn them into table format this way. Now you have to check on my table has headings. Good. So now they are turned into table headers. and you would be able to filter whatever information that you need from the column. Each of the columns would be able to tell you exactly what the level of information you have kept in it. Now, to get the form done, you have to go to File. Then you select Options. Now, at the Options, you come to Customize Ribbon. On the Customize Ribbon, you click on the popular command and then select Command Not in Ribbon. Now, after selecting Command Not in Ribbon, you have to scroll down and look for Form. So we have Form here. Now we are supposed to add this form to this rectangle. This is where we have the main tab. But in this case, if you add the form now, it will not move because there is no space for it to lay. So what you do is you create new tab. Now, after creating new tab, you rename it as Data Entry. Then you click on OK. Now you choose a group. Now rename the group to by choosing this symbol. So you click on the symbol and then rename the group as 1. Okay. So now you can click on the form and then click on Add so that it will push the form onto the next column. So we click this. You can see that the form is now under the group you have created as 1. So we click on OK. Now our new tab, which is Data Entry, has been created. You can see that there's a new tab here known as Data Entry. When you click on that new tab, you see the form. So you have created a new ribbon that has a form that will take the data you are entering. Now, for you to start the data entry, you have to select all the headers that you want to do the data entry in. You select them. Now you have selected, so you click on Form. You see that it has provided the form for you to start your entry. So you take your first questionnaire and then you start the entry. The first person is a male. The age is 27. Religion Islam. Educational background degree. Occupation teacher. Ethnicity voila. Question 1, he agrees. Agree. Agree. Disagree. Disagree. Agree. Disagree. Disagree. Agree. And the last one, agree. We have finished the entry for the first person. Then you click on New. You see that this data has been entered, and then a new sheet is now open for us again. So we enter this person. She's a female, age 19, religion Christian, educational background degree, occupation nurse, ethnicity Gunja. Question 1, she agrees. Question 2 agrees. Question 3 disagree. Question 4 agree. Question 5 disagree. Question 6 agree. Question 7 disagree. Question 8 disagree. Question 9 disagree. Question 10 agree. So we are done with this. So we are going to continue with the rest of the data using this same format. You see how easy it is to create a data entry form and then use it for data entry. How easy we have entered all this data. Now all these data needs to be analyzed for you to get scores and then see the differences in gender, differences in religion, differences in age, differences in educational background, and also differences in the responses given by your respondents. So we'll have to save this file and import it onto the SPSS software. So we go to File, Save As, then we name it Business Survey. Okay, so our book is now named Business Survey. So we can close this and open the SPSS software. Now this is the SPSS software, so we double click and open it. Now our SPSS software is opened. Now what we need to do is to import the Excel data that we have entered onto the SPSS so that we'll be able to run analysis and get differences in response given by our respondents. Now you go to the open folder. So we click on, when you go to open folder, this dialog box would appear. Now on this dialog box, we have file type. Now you click on the arrow close to the file tab. Then you scroll down and select all files so that it can show all the files that you have that are not SPSS. Now we scroll to look for our business survey file. Now we go for business survey file and we have business survey here. So you select business survey and click on open. So you leave it as such and then you click on OK. Now the data is being imported onto the SPSS document. This is the entry that you have made from the Excel that has been imported onto the SPSS for your analysis. So now when you go to the analysis and you want to run for frequencies, you just pick any of them and then you run. It will give you your frequency table and whatever it is that you want. Now viewers, this is all we'll have for you for this video. If you like the video and you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell to get notification of our videos whenever they come online. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.